we fish on my little soda pop.
Second place. Yo. Third place. Yo. How many times must it be in first place?
Okay, guys. This dude has been first place four times now. This is the fifth time now.
Nice.
What party? What part is this? What part is this again?
5.
Oh yeah, part 5. Okay, guys, we have a little bit problem. That part 6 is the last part. Sorry.
Sorry. The last part is last part. So I can't do any rest anymore.
Because we're gonna get banned.
Yeah, I'm gonna get banned to make a lot of races. So yeah.
No. He's my friend's father said we cannot do a lot of videos.
Yeah.
That's why we're gonna do 6, 7,
No, 6.
6, 7.
6. Okay.
Everyone, I know all of you love this one. 6, 7.
Some of you love this song. So
Some of you like this song and it's gonna play by now. So can I go now?
a soda pop maybe.
Yeah, it's gonna be soda pop. Sorry.
So after that, when I'm
Okay, guys, can I show something? Part 5 is gonna be short. 3 minutes time. No, 5 minutes time. So yeah, 5 minutes.
3 minutes left, so we can still practice, guys. Hello, guys. Literally, I have to change the car.
No, I'm just gonna pick
Because my car is nearly broken. Yeah, I'm just gonna practice. The way that my car almost fell there. Wow. I almost came second place, guys. And I didn't like it. I didn't like that for guy to win. So I just want to make the first place. I almost made second place, but I pushed my car. I'm still good.
guys, part 5 is gonna be a little bit short
Just 5 minutes.
because we're gonna add a lot of space in this phone
Yeah.
because we need to go. After this, we're going to McDonald's.
Okay.
Hello, guys.
And after that, we're gonna play cards
Okay, guys.
with the tires.
2 minutes left, guys.
Come on.
Wait, are those?
I also have friends and everyone.
Are those our friends or what? Oh, they're not the friends.
Wait a second. Is those guys?
Tell me if they're our friends. Nope. They're not, right? That's what I mean. They're not, right? So, be ready. 1 minute left, guys.
Well, me 1 minute. So yeah.
1 minute. That 1 minute we're gonna do. We're gonna race.
What about Pumbo, right? No, we're no racing. Okay, we're gonna do it fast. Huh? We're gonna do it fast. Okay. 3,
2, 1.
Wait. I'm gonna do it. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Hey, we chase it. Chase it. What language are you speaking to?
Oh, sorry. You made me super dependent. So sorry. Bye. Hey, bro. Cheating.
Cheating! Guys, don't count that point. He's cheating. Yep, he already at the finish line. He's already at the finish line.
Actually.
Cheating. Now you wasted You wasted 1 minute. Now, like and subscribe.
Wait. Before you do close.
Like and subscribe. And
And if you want some more, we're gonna do
comment part 6.
So we're gonna do public after part 6. We're gonna do public
Part
cards with these boxes. So like and subscribe, guys. Wait.
See
Drop
you
a like,
later.
guys.
See you later. Hey.
Okay, Where's a